Do you want to have an Instagram account that can bring you connections? Does your profile look like this? Then this guide is for you. I will show you how to optimize your profile to catch everyone's eye. This guide is divided into 2 sections. This will be straightforward, so if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. For every point I make, I will have some examples. So let's get to it. First of all, choose your style and your vibe. Choose if you want to be inspired by people like Mike Thurston, Syrian Psycho, or someone like Tate. I'm not saying you can't change after a while, but don't have a different aesthetic for every post. Take this as your business card. You have to master this so people stay on your profile. For the profile picture, have a photo of you that is high quality and your face is fully visible. People don't know you, so they have to see you. If you aren't confident, just show majority of your face like this. For username, use your first and last name together. No spacing, underscores, or numbers. For profile name, do the same. The most important thing in this is the ratio. If it looks like this, it's wrong. You should have as much followers as you can, and as least people followed. This shows that people are interested in you, and you bring more value than you take. Don't follow automated accounts like brands, celebrities, or models. Make it as easy to read as it gets. Don't use all the space you can. These are good examples. Write 1 to 3 things about you that can spark conversation. Don't use age or where you live. You can start a conversation from that. At max, use 3 bars of text as in examples. Don't do this. Also use links to share your personal brand. You can also use the gray handle, but don't put things like gamer in there. You should use it seriously, or in the best case, don't use it at all. You should only post yourself looking decent. Don't post self-deprecating images because it's silly. You doing exciting things, riding a motorcycle, driving a good car, training, your band of brothers, or you with girls. This shows that you have at least some social skills. Trips, eating out in better places. Don't post your beer in some rundown pub. In any of these, don't overdo it. Post 3 stories a day max, once a week minimum. Yes, you may want to post something, but rather save it for later. You won't always have something interesting in your life. If it comes to posts of celebrities, repost the bare minimum. Highlights are for things that are good but aren't worth posting. Use them for things like lower resolution pics, vacations, and overall photo dumps and videos that don't have real quality. As highlights preview, use presets or some image from highlights that has good visibility. This will make or break your profile. What not to do. Don't post pictures that are low quality, playing video games or watching TV, and definitely don't post pictures where you look like a dork. For smaller posts, use more slides. For major posts, use just one and focus on the caption. For the first slide, use a picture of yourself in the center. The rest of the slides should resemble your life. So basically the same as stories. You can add fit pics, pics of books or albums that you enjoy. Additional questions. Don't set your profile if you just started. If you want to, do it after you have at least 400 followers where you can still grow. No, try to edit your photos. It adds some level to your content. You should also consider buying a phone with a better camera or borrowing one from your friend. Say to your friend that your Instagrams are trash, so you need to level up. If you can't find any inspiration on Instagram, try Pinterest. If you need personalized help, write me in the comments and we can hop on private call.